Welcome to another episode of NutriFacts, where we uncover the truth about nutrition and healthy eating habits. Today, we'll explore a frequently asked question: can French fries be a substitute for vegetables when it comes to fulfilling our daily fiber requirements? Let's find out. Many of us enjoy the delicious taste of French fries, but can they really provide us with the same fiber content as vegetables? To answer this question, let's compare the fiber content of French fries to that of vegetables. Vegetables are naturally rich in fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system and numerous other bodily functions. Nutritionist, hi there. I'm a registered nutritionist, and I'm here to shed some light on this topic. While French fries do contain dietary fiber, they can't entirely replace the benefits that vegetables provide. Nutritionist, the average serving of French fries contains about 3 grams of fiber, while a serving of vegetables, such as broccoli or spinach, can contain anywhere from 3 to 5 grams of fiber or even more. That's quite a significant difference. But why is it important to prioritize vegetables over French fries when it comes to fiber intake? Doctor, fiber found in vegetables has several advantages over those found in French fries. Firstly, vegetables are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds, whereas French fries lack these vital nutrients. Doctor, secondly, vegetables offer a wide range of fiber types, including soluble and insoluble fiber, which contribute to different aspects of our health. French fries, on the other hand, mainly contain insoluble fiber, which is less beneficial. Nutritionist, so, while French fries can provide a small amount of fiber, they shouldn't be seen as a substitute for a balanced diet rich in vegetables. Instead of replacing vegetables with French fries, let's aim to incorporate a variety of vegetables into our meals. This way, we can enjoy the numerous health benefits they provide, including fulfilling our fiber requirements. Nutritionist, remember, a healthy diet is all about balance. It's perfectly fine to enjoy French fries occasionally, but don't rely on them to fulfill your daily fiber needs. Doctor, absolutely. Aim to consume a colorful assortment of vegetables, whole grains, and fruits to ensure you're getting an adequate amount of fiber and other essential nutrients. And there you have it, folks. French fries may be a tasty treat, but they shouldn't be seen as a substitute for vegetables when it comes to meeting your daily fiber requirements. Remember, your health is worth making the right choices. Thanks for watching this episode of NutriFacts. Stay tuned for more informative content on nutrition and healthy living.